Hello, in this video I'll shortly tell about Centropix Bubble. What is it, the benefits, and how to use it. So the Bubble is the world's first frequency regulator device. It is also a PEMF device. The main thing that the bubble does is it protects from harmful electromagnetic frequencies coming from laptops, phones, refrigerators, TVs, any type of electrical wiring, electrical poles, cell towers. It also protects from 5G frequencies, and the 5G towers are right now being rolled out all over the world. Now, in addition to EMF protection, the bubble also emits certain frequencies to benefit the body. One of those frequencies is Schumann resonance frequency. It's equal to 7.3 Hertz, and this is the frequency that is emitted by the Earth's electromagnetic field. And you've experienced Schumann resonance frequency numerous times in the past. Every time you go to nature, you are exposed to Schumann resonance frequency more than the usual. So as a result, you feel more calm, you feel charged, you feel refreshed. So Schumann resonance frequency got numerous healing properties. The next frequency the bubble emits is designed to tighten the skin. The next one is designed to enhance the metabolism, which may help lose weight. The next one is designed to regulate and normalize the function of the pineal gland. And the pineal gland is responsible for producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. And sometimes the melatonin production gets disrupted by the blue light that is coming from our screen, from the phones, laptops, and which results in poorer sleep. The next frequency is designed to unblock the heart chakra and open that chakra. The next one is redesigned to decluster cell molecules. The thing is, since we are constantly bombarded by harmful electromagnetic frequencies pretty much all day, the water in our cells become clustered. And it takes a lot of energy for the body to decluster those water molecules to make sure the normal function of the cell. And if you take into account that we are 70% water, this is pretty significant benefit. Now, all this happening without your involvement naturally throughout the day. The only thing you have to do, of course, is to wear the bubble, and you wear the bubble just below your sternum. Okay, the first time when you get your bubble, you'll have to charge it, and it takes about 2 hours to charge it. You just insert the cable into USB port into the bubble, plug it into the wall. It takes about 2 hours to charge it. So once you put it into the outlet, there'll be red flashing light. Once it's fully charged, it's going to be green light. The green light will be flashing, and the charge lasts about 4 weeks. Okay, and you'll have to wait until the charge has completely gone down to 0 before you charge it again. And you'll be able to tell that because there'll be no more green light flashing. Okay, now be aware that the bubble is not waterproof. Okay, but if you exercise and you sweat a lot, that's okay. The only thing that you want to make sure is that the bubble is not submerged into water. Now, can you sleep with your bubble? Well, as we know, melatonin production is optimal when it's pitch dark. Okay, so you either can put it under your pillow, you can either put your bubble on your night table, put it upside down so there is no light flashing, or you can choose to wear it on your body. That's your choice. Okay, the benefits: people who are already wearing the bubble reporting that they feel more energy throughout the day. They're able to get more things done throughout the day. If they exercise, they're saying that the recovery time is reduced. They also that they're more balanced and calm. They tend to respond to situation rather than react. They are less irritated, and as a result, their mood is boosted. These are just some of the common benefits that people are reporting. And just one last thing: the first time you wear the bubble, you might be sensitive to the frequencies emitted by the bubble, so you can just wear it on top of your clothing on your first day, but then make sure that the next day you put it under your clothing, so the bubble is in direct contact with your skin, and the green flashing light should be facing you, okay, should be facing your skin. Now, if you have any question, please leave your questions below, and enjoy wearing your bubble and be the change that you want to see in the world.